Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel, and the Drone Tweaks FCC saga continues. On Saturday, I was flying to capture some photos for local press. I had a complete blackout of the app. It crashed, couldn't restart it, job aborted. Came home, checked the firmware, checked all the settings, was no good. Went out today, which is Wednesday, to go and get some more images for another article in the local paper, flying around my local hospital. Got the drone up in the air, and then another blackout and a complete crash on the app. Couldn't restart it, couldn't do anything with it. Came home, swore a lot, threw the drone in the corner somewhere, I forgot about it. Looked at my phone just now, and I've had an email from Drone Tweaks. I haven't even emailed them myself. I got home, saw the email at 16:40 hours this afternoon from them, saying we have noticed issues on our server, that you have been having problems. So credit to them. They've got intelligent systems, and they know that I'm getting problems. I have been really polite with them. They are really nice people to deal with. Communication isn't a problem. The problem really is the conflict between DJI and what they're doing and trying to get two systems to work together. I don't know whether Drone Tweaks is affiliated with DJI or a subsidiary of DJI. Haven't a Scooby, but they work pretty well on their systems. They communicate faultlessly, and credit to them for noticing that I had a problem, and they messaged me before I messaged them. So reference the current problem and the crashes with the app. I will put in the description of the video. It's under the title of the video as you're watching it, where it says more. Go to the video description and you'll see some information in there that I've left. And I'll try to insert a picture of the email at the end of this video. But if I don't, the message from Drone Tweaks was, we have noticed some activity on our server stating that you've had possible problems and crashes with the app. So the advice is to mitigate that problem is to go into your profile, go to your settings on DJI FCC, and basically turn off camera view. So when your app starts up, your camera isn't as a picture on your screen. So you need to go to settings, profile, turn camera view off, restart your device, whether you're using a tablet or a phone, and fingers crossed it should work. But we'll see how we get on. I'm still using an older version of the software or firmware because I had the problem with the newer version on Saturday, so I reverted back to a older version. But I'll put a link to the software or the firmware which you can download, providing you've got an active license with them. I'll put a list with all the old outdated stuff as well, so you can roll back if you need to. But if you get a problem, message Drone Tweaks. I'll provide an email address in the description of the video. I must say I am not affiliated with Drone Tweaks. I'm not sponsored by them, and I don't get any money, or I'm not told what to say by them. I haven't got anything bad to say, although I've spent £25 on something that doesn't work very well very often. But it's money, isn't it? It's not a great deal of money. I'm only using it for the connectivity and the security in my connection. So if you've got a problem, message them, explain what your problem is in your email. Be polite. Don't lose your rag with them. Treat them with respect, and they will help you. They've helped me so far. I'll give you an update after I've installed and gone through the settings and disabled that. and I'll keep everybody posted. The previous video will be linked in the description of the video, and at some point it'll be linked to the top right hand side of the screen. Watch that, very informative. But if you get a problem, like I say, message Drone Tweaks, tell them what's wrong. Also leave a comment on this video, keep me updated on what problems you're getting. Also what country, where you are in the world. Let's geographically work out where we all are. Say hello to each other. If the video helps you, give it a like, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you on the other side of this in a week or so with an update. But thank you for watching EW Services.